Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Kafka Connect for streaming into Elasticsearch step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring that Kafka and Elasticsearch are properly installed and running on your system. Open your terminal and confirm Kafka is operational by running the command to list the available topics. Next, create a new Kafka topic for the data you wish to stream into Elasticsearch. Use the Kafka command line tool to create the topic by specifying its name and the number of partitions. After creating the topic, download the Kafka Connect Elasticsearch connector. You can find the connector on Confluent Hub or its GitHub repository. Once downloaded, place the connector files into the Kafka Connect plugins directory. Next, edit the Kafka Connect configuration file. Specify the Bootstrap server address, which points to your running Kafka instance. Configure the key and value converters, typically using JSON or Avro, depending on your data format. Now, create a configuration file for your Kafka Connect Elasticsearch Sync connector. In this configuration file, define the connector name, tasks to be run, and the Kafka topic it will read from. Specify the Elasticsearch index where the data should be streamed. Also, include the Elasticsearch connection details, such as the host and port. Save the configuration file in a convenient location. Next, start the Kafka Connect service using the appropriate command. Be sure to start it in the distributed or standalone mode based on your setup. After launching Kafka Connect, check the logs to ensure that it has initialized correctly. Use the Kafka Connect REST API to post your connector configuration. Send a post request to the Kafka Connect endpoint with the configuration file. Monitor the response to confirm that the connector has been created successfully. Check Elasticsearch to verify that data is being received from the Kafka topic. If no data appears, review the Kafka Connect logs for any error messages. Adjust your configuration as necessary to resolve any issues. Once everything is functioning, you can start streaming data into Elasticsearch for real-time analytics. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.